All right, guys, we back with another video. So somewhat of a um, just an eye opener. Uh, one thing I noticed about banks and about market movers is that they love even numbers. They love round numbers. You know what I mean? So you have some people that are OCD, even when it comes to numbers. Like you have people that will not trade off of an odd number. They won't trade off of an even number, depending on who they are. But institutions themselves, they love trading from uh big whole numbers. I'm gonna show you a little something. um as far as support and resistance zones, I usually use the dots, the little buy sell dots. But if you do not have buy sell dots, you can also use the round number method, uh whole number method. So without further ado, we're going to get right into this. We're going to go to the weekly time frame, and as you can see, wherever these black lines are, you'll see price reverses a lot around those areas. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our rectangle tool and we're going to go and point out those black lines, turn them into zones. I want you to watch how price plays around it, the whole numbers. Watch this. Institutions love trading from these areas. And when it comes to these zones, they're not perfect, but you can see where price action plays into these zones. Right. So let's zoom in, get a little closer and see what's going on. All right. You can see let's get this out of here. This top line is, let me turn the auto scroll off. Top line is being respected. The second line is being respected. You got to bounce here, bounce there, bounce, 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 break, bounce, 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 bounce. Even the numbers, the golden numbers in between the black lines are great areas. Great areas. Uh, and from this point, you can go to your daily, turn the auto scroll back on, and draw your trend line. That's an ugly trend line. Draw your trend lines. And it's that easy. So as soon as that breaks, I'm probably gonna put in another trade. I just got a little short trade going right now, but uh, also I created this Fibonacci with stop loss entry and targets up to 5 to 1. So yeah, holler at me or send me a email or hit me up in the message box below if you guys want a copy of this Fibonacci. Uh, but yeah, man, I just want to show y'all a little something, just in case you don't have the dots and you want to draw good support and resistance. Always think about those round whole numbers. And institutions love to either stop out or pick up or put in their trades at those levels. All right. So until next time, just a little tip, just a little something, something. So y'all stay up. Till next time.